In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize columns in Wix. Whether you're building a new website or just tweaking the layout of an existing one, understanding how to adjust your column sizes can drastically improve your site's aesthetic and functionality. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. First, let's start by heading over to Wix. On your dashboard, you should see an option that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This will transition you to the Wix editor, the workspace where all the magic happens. The editor can initially appear overwhelming with its plethora of options and tools, but don't worry, it's more intuitive than it looks. Now that we're in the editor, direct your attention to the section of the site where you want to make the changes, typically referred to as the strip. Click on a strip, and you'll see a range of tools and settings you can fiddle with on the right-hand side, or maybe hovering directly above your selected section. Once you've selected your strip, look for a Layout button. It's usually nestled in among other options like Design, Animation, or sometimes even Settings, depending on your version of Wix. Click on Layout, and you'll be greeted with a new array of tools focused on structuring and designing the selected strip. This is where the magic of resizing columns happens. Here, within the Layout menu, you'll see all the different resizing options available to you. These options are designed to accommodate varying amounts of content efficiently and ensure that your website remains user-friendly, regardless of the screen size or resolution it's viewed on. At this point, you have a couple of options. If you prefer precision and control, you might enjoy resizing the columns manually. Simply hover over the lines that separate the columns until your cursor changes into a little double-sided arrow. Holding down your mouse button, drag left or right to fit your content just right. This manual option is perfect if you need to fit specific images or text just so, without them being too cramped or having too much odd white space around. When resizing, always keep in mind the user experience. Ensure that text remains legible and that buttons or images are not cut off. This is your chance to optimize content placement for effective communication and visual appeal. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you can customize your Wix site design to suit your unique content needs, creating a more attractive and functional website. Feel free to play around with different settings, but always preview your changes to ensure everything appears as desired across different devices. Thanks for tuning in, and have fun designing.